We're gonna eat lunch here.
What if we had a pool in the backyard that goes into the pool?
Yeah? Let's go eat. Beautiful weather and come in. All right. Wait, what is this? Wait, it looks haunted. I don't know. It says the ruins. Adopt a trail to the former sewer plant. Oh, it's a former sewer plant. Yeah, see it goes down there too.
Everywhere. It's kind of creepy.
They should have like an old photograph of how it used to look like, yo. There's the cascade. Fall hazard, stay on trail. Be a cute, cool view from down there. Oh man, somebody brought a tire right there. There we go. That's a good shot right there. Wait till you get to the waterfall. This is just a cascade. This is nothing compared to the waterfall.
Daddy.
All right. We're gonna dip into the woods somewhere, gal. Yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, Glen, Burney. And again, the GoPro does not do it justice. You guys have to see this for yourself. And somebody stacked up some rocks down there too. Cool, look guys. Oh, it feels good right here.
Stop! Ah! It's very loud! Is that okay? Hey!
Oh.
Where were you? Alright, bye!
Oh man, going back is gonna suck. Look! Look! Oh, that's a big drop. All right, boys, come over here. Do not go past me, okay? Oh my goodness, my butt tickles. Do not go past me, Luke. Back up, bro. Woo!
Like, I don't know.
My biggest fear is of talking to a woman. Is that your biggest fear?
No.
Luke, stay back.
The diving is.
My biggest fear is being stranded in the ocean by myself.
What else? Height. Don't you do that every time we fish?
Not in the ocean.
And there's some more.
Okay, go ahead, man. So we made it back.
Where's Milky? I can't find her.
We made it back. We didn't die. The hike back from the hot waterfall was pretty rough.
Tell me where Luke is.
I don't know. But now we're just sitting here waiting on this. Oh yeah. And Noah's eating already. Because his noodle is going to get soggy. Right, Noah? Woo! Alright. Smoke. So last week when we were here, I saw a whole bunch of koi fish. And then today, I'm about to go try to catch one of them. We shall see. All right. Ooh, ooh, he put it in his mouth. The carp. He put. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I did hook him, because he'd be all in that tree, and I got like 10-pound test line right here. He's about like 5 pounds. Ooh. Come back and get it. All right, gal. We showered up. We ready for bed?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My hair's still wet.
Your hair's still wet. Oh, we're missing Luke. Where's Luke?
It's over there.
Oh, man. What a day, dudes. We did 2 hikes. 1 mountain, 1 waterfall. Actually, 2 waterfalls. Chill, gal. What are you throwing at me, man? Stop, yo.
10 billion waterfalls.
Yeah, we saw a couple waterfalls. I tried to catch a carp, but I failed.
My food not cold.
I might try again in the morning. We shall see.
And we're napping.
But I think it's nap time, guys.
Yeah.
Nap time? You mean bedtime?
Hey, honey?
Yeah, well, bedtime. You know what I mean.